Hello everyone, this is the final video of database management system subject question and answer video series, video number 50. Okay, let's go to see the requirements. Here it's connected with the previous scenario, and here they are telling after installing the operating system on the computer, the software was reinstalled. All previous data needs to be restored in the database. To do this, use previous created run school SCHDB backup file to create the required restore query. Okay, for this I am going to command prompt here. Now I am in the bin one. Okay. Here first I am doing how to log into my SQL. How to first delete this data from this database. Here's the database. Select this all and drop from run school data. Okay, there is no any data table here. From here, on the bin file, I'm taking my SQL and u as root p password run SCHDB. First, in the previous one I have for the backup file, here is a greater than mark. Here we have to use the lower than mark here. Then same as the previous one, d colon backslash run SCHDB backup dot SQL. Here, enter, hit enter, wait. System file specific file. I have what is here is error, spelling mistake. Anabima SQL. Okay, now enter the password. Okay, now let's go to here, then refresh. Here all data tables are restored. Okay, all are done. Let's meet in next video series one day. Thank you.